Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. First, open Start menu, then go to Settings, select System, and scroll down to Recovery menu, open it, then click Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. Now, make sure that your device is being charged, so make sure that you have a charging cable plugged into your device. And now, in front of you, you will see two options. The first one is Keep My Files, which is not entirely a factory reset operation, more of a settings and apps reset operation, which will keep all of your personal files on your computer. Now, if you want to perform the full factory reset operation, you should go with Remove Everything, which will erase your computer completely, and that's basically what we're looking for. So go with the second option in order to perform factory reset. Then if you are connected to the internet, then you can choose between cloud download and local reinstall. Now, if you're preparing your device for resale, or if you have some malfunctioning, if your files are corrupted, or if you suspect that you might have some kind of malware on your device, then surely go with the cloud download. This will download a Windows copy from the cloud and reinstall a fresh Windows copy on your device. But otherwise, you can go with the local reinstall, which will reinstall Windows using your system files on this device. Now, click Change Settings, and here you'll be able to switch the toggle to the right or to the left, depending on whether you just want to remove your files if the toggle is switched to the left. This way it will be quicker but less secure, or if you switch the toggle to the right, you will clean the drive completely, which may take hours, but it will make your files almost unrecoverable. Now, the second choice is best for people who suspect to have malware and prepare their device for reselling. So go with an option that fits you the most. This choice is the one that we previously saw. So you can either choose to reinstall Windows from this device if it switches toggle to no, or a toggle is switched to no, or if you switch the toggle to the right, you will download a Windows copy from the cloud and reinstall Windows using it. Okay, so once you're content with your choices, click Confirm, then Next, and wait for a couple of seconds until Windows gets things ready, and then click Reset. Now, make sure that you don't have any updates pending on your computer, because if there are updates pending on your computer, then it's better if you either complete the updates or just disconnect from the Wi-Fi if you haven't chosen the cloud reinstall option before, because Windows will only start resetting your PC after downloading and installing all the updates that it prepared for you. So when you're ready, click Reset and wait for the reset to be performed. Once the operation is finished, which may take hours in some cases, you will see the beginning of the setup screen, and this will indicate that your laptop was fully reset. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.